Hey guys, Mac Jeffy here. Welcome back to another unboxing video. So today we're going to unbox the Liella We Will single from Love Live Superstar School Idol project. So yeah, here's the front of it, spine, and here's the back. Yeah. Oh yeah, sorry about that guys. Yeah, let's unbox it. It contains 2 tracks and 2 off vocal tracks, so yeah. Let me just unbox it. Move. Sorry guys. Yeah. Just gotta try and find an opening for it, so yeah. Oh god. This is only a single that does not really contain the DVD, guys. Because when I looked at it, when I opened it, it didn't contain any DVDs. Might keep the little insert leaflet as well. So yeah. Bukrowati Mano Day is a good opening as well. So yeah. Go look inside the finger. I called it a little sticker as well, and some little information cards. So yeah. So really good actually. Can put the stickers alongside my other stickers as well. Cause yeah. Sorry about this guys, I'm just trying to Oh yeah. I'm just going to show you the disc real quick before ending. Yeah, here's the disc. Oh yeah. Maybe if I take all these out, I can just put him somewhere. Oh yeah. Just hang on. Sometimes with like Japanese CDs, like sometimes it's really hard to like put in something. There we go. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.